my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 3, Science and Tech. Our body parts. Each of our body parts helps us to do our different works. Okay. So, the following are the work of some body parts. Tick, write the correct options. So, let we start. 1. We see, hear with our eyes. See. We smell या taste with our nose. Smell. We wave here with our ears. Hear. सुनते हैं ना? We sing या talk with our mouth. Sing. We walk या wave with our hand. Wave. We taste, see with our tongue. Taste. We ride or run with our feet. Run. We bang या sit on our knees. Bend. We turn या bend our neck to look right and left. Turn. We sit or write with our fingers. Right. Okay. So next question. Pictures of some body parts are given below. Find their names in the word grid. Okay. So let we start. Nose. Tongue. Finger. Fingers. Ears. And last one is eyes. Eyes. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Scientific literacy in the sky. So this chapter only for reading. Clouds. You must have seen clouds in the sky. Clouds look like white, puffy cotton balls. But clouds are made up of tiny water droplets and ice crystals. Okay. So these tiny droplets hang together in the sky and form clouds. As a cloud matures, the droplets combine to produce larger droplets. The larger droplets fall down in the form of rain. Clouds are of different shapes and colors. It depends on their height and quantity of water. Rainbow. Sometimes we see a colorful arc in the sky after or during rains. This arc is called the rainbow. The rainbow has a band of colored parallel stripes. The colors are always arranged in a sequence from top to bottom. The sequence is as follows. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. यानी कि विबग्योर. To remember this sequence, remember the word विबग्योर यानी कि violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. Next is sun. During daytime, we see the sun in the sky. The sun is a big ball of fire. It is extremely used. It appears small because it is very far from us. The sun gives us light and heat. In the morning, the sun appears in the east. In the evening, it appears in the west. But the sun never moves. It is our earth which moves around the sun. Moon. In the night sky, we see the moon. The moon is in the sky during the daytime also, but it is not visible to us. It is because of sun strong light, the moon is our nearest neighbor in space. The moon does not have light of its own. It glows because of the sun's light. The moon appears to have a different shape on different days. Stars. During the night, when the sky is clear, we see many tiny specks of light. Those are stars. These tiny stars are in fact extremely huge bodies. They look tiny because of their great distance. The sun is also a star. It is a star nearest to our Earth. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter. My senses. There are 6 senses, na? So, sense की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. So, there are 5 sense organs in our body: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Name the sense organs which these children are using. 1. It is a very colorful kite. It is big in size. Eyes. 2. It is cold here. It is so cold here. I need a cup of hot coffee to warm myself. Skin. कहाँ feel होता है ये हमें? Skin पे. Number 3. All is well is a very nice song. I have listened it many times. Ears. Number 4. Wow, these kachoris smell so good. Nose. Number 5. Have a bite. These are great in taste also. Tongue. So these are the 5 sense organs of our body. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. My computer. What do you know about computers? Monitor, speakers, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. So it was the earliest computer. It was used to count things. Do you know its name? It is an abacus. This one. Next, this is a laptop. You can use it while traveling from one place to another place. This is a tablet. It can work like a computer. Okay, so some questions are here. Pick and tick. Which of these help us to type on the computer? Keyboard. Keyboard से typing करते हैं ना हम. 2. Which of these shows you pictures like a TV? Monitor. 3. Which of these is used to click while working on a computer? It's mouse. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter is modern machine. Can you identify these modern machines? It is used to cook food quickly. Microwave. Microwaveoven. Microwave oven. Okay. Number 2. It is used to heat water. Geyser. 3. It is used to send a copy of a text from one place to another. Fax machine. Number 4. It is used for cleaning the house. Vacuum cleaner. Number 5. Using this phone, we can talk to our friends and relatives from wherever we like. Mobile phone. We can wash clothes very fast in it. Washing machine. 7. It is used to make a copy of written or typed text or pictures. Photocopier. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Measurement of time. Write the correct option. 1. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes. How many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. How many seconds are there in a minute? 60 seconds. Okay, how many seconds are there? 60. Question B. Write M for morning, A for afternoon, E for evening, and N for night. Okay, so number one, when do you get up? Morning. Morning. When do you have a bath? Morning. When do you have your lunch? Afternoon. When do you play? Evening. And when do you have your dinner? Night. C. Tick right the correct right option. Calendar. It's calendar. Okay. Tick right the correct option. How many days are there in a week? 7. How many weeks are there in a year? 52. How many days are there in a normal year? 365. So dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.